This is the David Archy men's Crewneck short sleeve t-shirt. This is the white color right here. These are really great t-shirts. These are made out of bamboo rayon. I use these for undershirts, and I really like the fact that they're extra long here. I was using Polo Ralph Lauren undershirts before this, and the switch is just phenomenal. The Polo Ralph Lauren was 100% cotton. They would always end up shrinking. They're really nice shirts too, but this bamboo rayon fit, it's just really nice. It has a nice stretch to it, and it just does a really phenomenal job as an undershirt. I really like the neckline there. When you wash these, it does not lose any of it doesn't like turn over or anything like that. These have been holding up really well. Been using them for a little over a month right now, so I do have several washes, and I picked them up in a 5-pack, and just I use them regularly, so they're washed once a week, and they're just holding up very nicely. Overall, I'm very pleased with this. This David Archy's been a really great brand for these, and again, I'm using these for an undershirt. They are true to size, so definitely they're not going to shrink too much. I'm very happy with them. The length here is staying consistent, and just overall, this is a really great shirt. Highly recommend picking these up.